Do you always like your water fresh? Your pet feels the same. Woof Bowl is a revolutionary temperature-sensitive and auto-refill water bowl. With the accelerated pace of life and increasing responsibilities, saving even a couple of minutes a day is gold. Getting up early in the morning, eating up a fast breakfast, and you're off to work. Sometimes a shift turns into a whole day at work, while making a quick run home is not an option. Your pet's water is still getting warm and stale, or is it already gone? Woof Bowl is a high-tech water bowl, first of its kind to detect the water's temperature with the inbuilt thermostat. If the water becomes too warm, Woof Bowl rechills it. If the bowl is empty, the smart system refills the bowl up to the optimum level in the most economical way. Woof Bowl is perfectly safe for your pet. A unique combination of temperature and water level sensors keeps your pet's water cool and fresh all of the times. All that without electricity. So, it is simple to use and easy to mount, and the same goes for cleaning it. All you need to do is connect it to the water distribution system and let the water run. Woof Bowl will regulate the water's usage. This is the most economical way to keep your pet satisfied and healthy while you're working.
While it is great to give your pet something to do while you're away, wouldn't it be nice to be able to see, hear, or talk to them? Pet Chats is the new product that lets you do exactly that. Connected to your home Wi-Fi network, Pet Chats includes a low-light capable HD camera, a video screen, a speaker, and a microphone. Once you've trained your pet to respond to the special ringtone, you can video chat with your pet anytime you like. Not only can you and your pet see and hear each other, you can also dispense a treat or release a calming scent into the room. If your pet would rather not wait for your call, by simply stepping on the added Paw Call Floor module, your pet can actually call you. Imagine that! Pet Chats works through your home Wi-Fi network and is easily installed. Now, no matter where you are, you and your best buddy can spend some quality time together.
Hi, my name is Jonathan and this is my buddy Mojo. Thank you for purchasing the Rough-It Dog Carrier, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it just as much as I have. So, what is the Rough-It Dog Carrier? Simply put, it allows your dog to participate by being able to sit on your back and experience and see what you see. So the padded dog side straps allow for maximum comfort when riding, and the mesh side panels allow for your dog to stay cool in pretty much any temperature. So how do you actually put your dog in the carrier? It's simple, just like this. The first thing you want to do is unbuckle the dog side straps at the top. And then you want to give some slack on both of the dog side straps. This creates a negative space for the dog to sit in, and make sure that your cushion is in place for comfort. The next thing you want to do is get the dog's hind legs and set them in the bucket of the carrier, and then place the bucket underneath the dog. Get the dog to sit down, like so, and let gravity help you set them deeper into the bucket as possible. You then put one arm in each corresponding strap, and it should look like this. Not side by side, the straps cross, like so. You then simply want to cinch down each dog side strap and reclip the top restraint. So now that you've done this, it's safe to put your dog on your back. How do you do that? It's like a traditional backpack. Always try and maintain one hand on the carrier for safety. That's it, it's that easy. All dogs are different in personality, weight, size, and length, so make sure you measure your pet and be patient. They'll take to it.
Hey everyone, welcome to SleepyPod's video channel. Today we'll be demonstrating the Click-It Terrain safety harness. Click-It Terrain is packed with state-of-the-art technology to help keep pets safer in cars, as well as the human passengers who ride with them. It diminishes the risk of injury in accidents and sudden stops. In crash tests, Click-It Terrain delivers higher performance than any of its predecessors. Compared to SleepyPod's previous top-performing safety harnesses, it reduces the forces on the highly vulnerable chest area by an additional 10%. You can check out the crash test video here on SleepyPod's video channel. Click-It Terrain is light and easy to use without sacrificing safety. The unique infinity loop design eliminates any weak points when extreme force is applied. It has 3 points of contact to reduce forward and lateral movement. Shock-absorbing sleeves work with a broad padded vest and patented infinity loop design to reduce damaging forces. Outside of the car, it can be used as a walking harness by attaching a leash to the 2 D-rings on the back. Working dogs and active dogs will benefit from the Click-It Terrain design. The shock-absorbing sleeves make Click-It Terrain comfortable to wear for long periods at a time. Reflective patches on the harness shoulders can be interchanged with service patches. An optional terrain pack allows your dog to carry its own food, water, and gear. Before purchasing Click-It Terrain, you need to determine the appropriate size for your pet. For safer travel, it's important to have a proper fitting harness. Measure your dog around the widest portion of its chest. Record the length and refer to the chart on the SleepyPod website for the correct harness size. Open the 2 buckles on the back of the safety harness. Position the broad padded vest in front of the dog with the logo facing outward and in the center of your dog's chest. Let the dog step into the openings on each side of the vest. Buckle with enough room under both straps for 3 flat fingers between the harness and the pet. To loosen the Click-It Terrain harness, hold the metal slide and pull the bottom strap. Then hold the metal slide and pull the metal buckle. Finally, pull the metal slide toward the buckle. Repeat this step if necessary. To tighten the Click-It Terrain harness, pull the top strap and move the metal slide toward the vest. Hold the metal slide and pull the metal buckle. Then hold the metal slide and pull the strap. Repeat this step if necessary. After your adjustments, if the strap ends are long and dangling, tuck the excess straps into the elastic loops and tuck it into the vest pocket. When it's time to clean the Click-It Terrain harness, vacuum any pet fur from the neoprene portion of the vest. Use a damp cloth to clean the vest. Click-It Terrain was crash tested using the U.S. Child Restraint System standard and also the Canadian Child Restraint System standard. Just like child seats, pets should be placed in a rear passenger seat to prevent injury if airbags deploy in an accident. To connect Click-It Terrain to your vehicle, insert the seatbelt through both loops located at the back of the harness, then buckle into the car seat's buckle. Before travel to any new destination, take some time to acclimate your pet to its new safety harness before the trip. Let your pet wear the harness around the house for brief periods at a time. If your pet is used to riding loose in the car, it might take a little time to adjust to being confined in a small space. Take your pet on short outings before long trips. Remember, treats and praise are helpful tools for acclimating your pet to its new harness. Now your pet is ready for safe travels. Find more information about Click-It Terrain and other SleepyPod products at sleepypod.com.
The Innovative Lifestyle Drinking Fountain. They have an elegant design, so they fit right in with your living room. The water is continuously cleaned. Unlike fountains with charcoal filters that collect bacteria and algae, ultraviolet light kills them for real. By enriching the water with oxygen, the taste is improved, which encourages animals to consume enough liquid. This helps them stay healthy. But not only your pets profit. The innovative drinking fountains may seem like a big investment at start, but in the long run, they are of much better value in comparison with other fountains. Thanks to the UV filters, the need to replace expensive charcoal filters on a regular basis and to pay the additional costs associated with them becomes a thing of the past. So in the long term, our products are unbeatable value for money. The innovative drinking fountains are the perfect solution. A well-thought-out design with no extra costs, high-grade ceramics, healthy water that invites animals to drink enough water, and superb quality from Switzerland, Germany, and Liechtenstein. That's what the innovative lifestyle drinking fountains are all about. Innovative. Only the best for your pets.